Magandang hapon po ng Saturday, November 11, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games sa 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, November 11, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng November 11, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Saturday, November 11, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 117 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 9 million pesos for November 11, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Saturday, November 11, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.